Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's tutorial is about what exactly is a blog, and I'm going to show you how to create a blog and how to effectively use a blog to create your online presence. Okay, so let's just understand the basic definition first. What exactly is a blog? So a blog is a discussion or a informational website. So blog is a website, understand it. Do not get confused that website is something different and blog is something different. It is one and the same thing. It is just that we keep on publishing, we can keep on putting our posts into it. Okay, so posts are basically displayed in a reverse chronological order, which means that your latest post will be at the top of the stack, you can say. Okay, so your latest post will be at the top, and then the other post will be seen to the viewers. So it is all about post and article. Post means you're going to write some articles. Now this article can be of any subject that you like. Okay, any subject. If you're a teacher, you can have you can give information about your subject, you can give away discuss certain concepts about your subject. Okay, you can talk about so many things. You can talk about entertainment, you can talk about your smartphones. If you're really good at smartphones, you can give some information. The world is waiting for you to provide the information. Everybody wants information in today's time. So blog is all about information, and if you have certain level of information and you are masterized at certain things, definitely you can become a very successful blogger. Okay, so that's a blog, what exactly a blog means. And now we are going to make use of blogger.com, which is a product of Google, and it is an absolutely fantastic platform to create a blog absolutely free of cost forever. Okay, so all you have to do is that you have to go to the Google, and you have to simply type www.blogger.com, and this particular page, you will kind of see this kind of page, okay, getting displayed in front of you. Okay, the first thing. Now the thing is, if you are doing it on your computer, then definitely you have to just sign in. And if you're doing it through your mobile, even with the mobile, it's one and the same thing. The same thing, you can see it on your mobile also, and your mobile is already synced with your Gmail account. In that case, maybe you won't see this page, and directly it will ask you to create a name that will be associated with the blog. Okay, but right now I'm doing this on my computer, and so if you're doing it for the first time and it is not synced with your Gmail, it will ask you for sign in. So you have to just simply click on the sign in, and simply you have to provide your username and password of your Gmail account. Okay, once you do that, you have to just give a name. It will ask you to give a name that will be associated with the account. Just type in your name, and then you will be coming down to such a screen. Okay, this is the screen that we have to work with. So this is the screen where you will be landed, and then what we need to do is, the first thing that we need to do is create a blog address for yourself. Blog address means you need to have a unique address for your online presence. How to do it, everything in detail, I am going to explain you in this particular tutorial. Okay, so just stay tuned. So you have to just click on this option over here, that is the new blog. Okay, so you have to create a blog address. Just click on that, and now you have to simply give a title to your blog. For example, you're good at poetry, so you can just give like something like poetries, right? You're very good at writing poems and all that, so you can have something, a blog which has a lot of poetries. Or you're something, you are good at gadgets, so you can say something like, you can give a title like gadget guru, something of that sort, isn't it? That's just the title, that will, the user will see the title. And now over here, this is very very important, this is address. For example, if I ask you what's your address, so you will obviously going to give the address. I mean, everybody has an address, right? Everybody has an address, so definitely online you should have an address that your blog is residing at. Okay, so you have to give an address, and the address should be in the form of some my new blog address dot blogspot.com. Now you have to just keep on typing. For example, I say gadget guru, and that's it. Okay, gadget guru dot, and you can see the rest of the things will automatically come down, that is blogspot.com. This automatically will come down. Okay, and you just select this, and then it says that sorry, this blog address is not available, which means that this particular address is been taken by some other user. Just like while creating a Gmail account is the same case. Okay, you try so many Gmail accounts, and then ultimately you get one Gmail account. The same thing you have to do it over here also. Just type like gadgetguru.blogspot.com, but this particular address is already been taken by somebody else. So I'll just type something like 98, and then I will see whether this is available or not. Even this says it is not available. So what I will do is I will just simply say 90, maybe 101, something of that sort. Okay, even that you can see it's not available. So I will give something like okay, 79. Okay, let's check this, and it says this blog address is available, and it shows that tick sign over here. Okay, all you have to do is simply click on this tick sign. So this is your online presence address. Your blog will reside at this particular address. This is the address that you are supposed to share with everybody and tell them, yes, this is my blog address. You can visit my blog, you can read my post articles, right? So this is your address, and then simply you have to choose a theme. Now what exactly is a theme? Okay, a theme is like, the look and feel of your website. I told you that a blog is a website. So what kind of website or what look do you want? That you have to choose it from here. At this point I will just choose that is the first one that is by default selected, and I'll keep it as it is, and simply I have to click on create blog. Okay, once you click on to the create blog, your blog will get created. Okay, there you go. So now you have an online presence, and then it will tell you, okay, find a domain name for your blog and connect it instantly. So we are not going to do anything with this. This means that you can have a name to your blog, so that a website name normally that we have, for example, gadgetguru.com, gadgetguru.in, right? You might have so many websites having that name. So it is asking you whether you to buy such a name for your blog or not. At this point you really don't require this. We are not going to purchase this. Okay, so I will just simply click on no thanks, and trust me, you can use this blog address that we have just created for forever. You can use it without actually buying anything. Okay, and now this is the screen in front of you, and it says create a new post. Now you can see that's the blog, that's the title that you had given, that is a Gadget Guru. That's the blog that you created, and now these are the posts, and now it shows that there is a empty area, that's you're not created any post. So now before creating the post, what you need to do is certain settings you need to do. You have to just click on over here, that is settings. Over here, go to the basic settings, and over here that's the title. If you want to change that title, you can do it. Click on edit and change your title. I will keep it as it is. Description is very important. It says 500 characters max, so you can type some around 500 characters about your blog, what exactly your blog is will have, what kind of post it will have, what kind of contents it is going to have. So all that you can type in this description, because this will help the Google search engine to locate your blog, okay, to redirect the viewers to your particular blog. Okay, so this is very important. So at this point I will simply say hi, my name is Ajay, okay, and you can find many contents regarding new launches of smartphones. something of that sort. Okay, and then you can type in lot of things about yourself, and not exactly about yourself, I mean the contents that you're going to have. Okay, so you need to focus more on the contents, what kind of contents you're going to have. You need to type about that. Okay, and then simply you have to click on save. Rest of the things I would suggest you can keep it as it is, you don't have to do anything. Okay, just you don't have to buy any domain and nothing of that sort. Okay, rest of the settings will be as it is. Okay, then you come to post, again come to post, and it will come back to that same thing, create a new post. Now this is the area where you will be creating a new post. Okay, so it will ask you to give a title to your post, and I will give the title like my or simply a post like XYZ just launched a new smartphone. And so there is some company who has just launched a new smartphone, and now you're going to tell about that particular smartphone, what exactly it is, what are the features. So if you are good at smartphones, okay, if you are good at some other subject, you can have your own articles. If you are good at anything, if you are good at science, mathematics, anything, you can talk about your particular topic, your particular subject. Okay, and then you can type like, okay, just I will just type something like just a new launch from XYZ company, right? And then you can also add pictures. How to add pictures? You have to just click over here, and then you can, there's a upload option by default. You can just upload a picture from your computer, anything you can take. I will just take some image that I am just try to locate some image. Let's see if I find a good image. Okay, so this Apple will not going to work for me, so maybe on the pictures. Okay, there is absolutely, okay, I'll just try to find in one of my, okay, okay, let me just check image for myself. Okay, okay, this kind of is an image, you can say, not really an image of a mobile, but I'm just showing you the example. So this is a kind of a laptop and its image. So you can actually show the image of the mobile, and then you can, okay, right now it's taking a bit of time, so I will just cancel this. So all that I want to make clear to you is that anytime you can just go click and upload any image that you want, and that particular image will be just displayed in front of you. Okay, and then what you can do is you can also add some links of your YouTube. If you have a YouTube channel, then you can add some of the links of your YouTube of your videos. Okay, right now we just take this, and simply that video will be inside your blog. Okay, so this is how to do it. Okay, right now I will just delete this, and the one feature that I want to show you is like you can also type in many languages. Like there are so many languages. You can type in Hindi, Marathi, Nepali, and Gujarati. There are so many other languages that you can type in. So if you're, for example, you are a Hindi teacher and you want to write your blogs in Hindi, you want to write some poetries in Hindi, you can definitely do it. What you need to do is just select Hindi. It is by default selected, and then you have to just make use of the phonetics. Phonetics means you have to type, for example, Mera naam Ajay hai. That is what you're supposed to type. So simply type Mera, M-E-R-A, and you can see the options are in front of you. Mera, mere, mira, right? So these are the options, and these are the numbers. So these are the the number keys. For example, I want to choose this one. You can do it by your mobile, by the mouse, or you can simply press the key that is number one key. So if I press the number one key, and it becomes Mera. Okay, and if I say Naam, Naam, okay, now again that's number one key that I need to press to select the first option, or simply I can use the mouse. I can do that with the mouse also. Okay, so Mera Naam and I say Ajay, and you can see again that's the number one option, hey, right? And now it will okay, and there it is, hey. Okay, so you can type in Hindi very easily, you can do it. So you know, you as a Hindi teacher, you might think, okay, it's very difficult to type in Hindi, to write a blog in Hindi. It's very easy to type in Hindi as well. Okay, so easily you can do it. Now I will simply, once you are done, you add your images and everything. Okay, just let me just have some small images. I just wanted to add any kind of image. So I'll just go to the pictures and take this image. This is just a picture, okay, though there is a text, but this is just a picture that I'm trying to load. The size is very less, so it will get done very fast. So I just wanted to demonstrate, okay, I just wanted to demonstrate how you're supposed to load the picture. Okay, and then click on add selected. So that particular picture will be on your blog. Now this is, okay, just a picture that I have just selected, and then you can go click over here, move the picture to the left or to the, okay, just select it and go to the left, it will come to the left. You can make it to the right or you can make it to the center. So all these things you can do the adjustment, and already I've showed you how you can add a YouTube video also. So that's the video, and then just press enter and then start typing whatever you want to type, right? So this is how you're supposed to do it. And if you don't want to type in Hindi, now I'm typing it and it's showing some Hindi. So what you're supposed to do, just click over here, again click it over here, and now it will be gone. Now you can type in English. If you click it over here and then it is selected, now whatever you type, it will show the Hindi option. Okay, so this is how to do it. So you can add pictures, videos, you know, you can type the Hindi or any language that you feel like. There are so many languages are available to you. You can also type in Sanskrit also, right? So there are so many options that is available for you. Only what is required from your side is the willpower. That's it. And now I'll simply click on publish. Now publish means this will be public to everybody. Once you publish an article means everybody can read the article, isn't it? So I'll just simply click on publish. And now this, I have just created my first blog. XYZ just launched a new smartphone. Now nowhere my title and the contents are matching, but this is just a demonstration. I just want to show you how to do it. Okay, so that's how to create your first post, and then you can easily edit, view, and also if you want to delete that particular post, you can simply click on this and you can delete your post. So that is how you have to create your post. You can create it. Okay, and then okay, now the thing is, you're not able to see your blog. How does your blog look like? That is the thing, right? I will show you how the blog look like. Okay, how you are going to see your blog, what exactly or how it is, how does my blog look like? Simply you have to click it over here, view blog. Okay, once you click over there and you can see the address, that is your gadgetguru79.blogspot.com, and you can see that's the title, Gadget Guru, and this is your first post. That was today on April 20th, and that was the image, and that is the content that I just typed in Hindi, that is Mera Naam Ajay Hai, isn't it? And then people can, you know, respond to your post. They can give comments on your post. So this is how your blog is going to look like. Anybody who visits this particular address, this particular page will be in front of them. Okay, now let us do something. Let us just change the theme. We have chosen a theme, but I'm not happy with the theme. How to do that? You have to simply click on theme over here. Okay, click on theme. This thing will come in front of you, and it shows that on a computer it will look like this, and on a mobile it will look like this. Okay, simply click on customize. So I need to customize means I need to make certain changes according to me. Customize means according to the customer in a way, right? I will make the changes according to my wish. So right now I had chosen this one. I have so many options. All these are different themes which is readily available to you. Just select it. Okay, so right now by default this is selected. It shows the yellow highlight. So this is the selected one, and below it will show your blog or your website how it looks like. So right now we'll select the second option, and then yeah, there it is. Now the changes have taken place, and there's a small arrow, just click over there, and now you can see the entire website. This is how your website is going to look like, and just click it back, the down arrow, and again you can see these options. And then, as I said, go to advanced options and you can change many things, the background color, then you know that the blog title. Okay, this is the blog title. You can give some other font, the color of the font. There are many options are available to you. Okay, so this is how you are supposed to do it. So once you just go through, spend some time onto this, easily you will be able to change the colors and everything. Okay, and so I'll go back to the blogger. I'll just leave this page now. Okay, and we are back to where we were, and then there is something called as layout. Now layout is something that how your blogs, the contents are displayed on your website. And there is something called as favicon. Now favicon is something that is at over here. Now this is called as favicon. It's a small icon or small logo icon that gets displayed on the page. So this is a favicon. So if you want your own favicon, you can edit and you can upload your own favicon, and that particular favicon will come with your to your website. Okay, then you can see the layout is exactly this way. I will show you the blog. It's just a minute. I'll close this and I'll go to the view blog. Okay, and you can see there is a sidebar and about me. Where is this sidebar about me? I will show you. Okay, if you click over here, this is the sidebar, and that's the picture. Now this picture I have uploaded it. I will show you how to do it. Okay, and that's the sidebar. And if you want any content or any picture over here, you can add the gadgets. How to do it? See, this is a sidebar about me. That is the profile gadget. I can just click on add a gadget, and there are many gadgets that are available, like AdSense. This is a different thing altogether. I will talk about this at the end of the tutorial. And I will simply have an image. So you can add an image, or simply I will add some text. So I will just click on the plus sign, and simply I will say, okay, my title or my tagline and XYZ. Okay, just type it and click on save, and you can see that particular gadget got added on top of this. So now if I just go and refresh this page, you will see that effect. Now if I click over here, and you can see my tagline and then XYZ and then this profile pic. Okay, so this is how you can have it. You can also reposition it. See, I just simply have to click and drag, click and drag. Okay, I can easily do that. Okay, and then at the bottom sideline we have the blog archive, labels, and report abuse. Okay, that's over here. Okay, or you can see it over here. Okay, and then we have the page top. The recent pages will be shown over here. Okay, this is a different thing. I'll talk about this later. Then this is the header, and there is a search at the top. You can see over here, that's the search. So anything anybody can search anything on your particular blog. Okay, this is customized search. You can see this. Okay, so this is how the everything this is. So you can change, you can add some gadgets as per your requirement. Okay, so that's about the gadgets. And then there are something called as pages. Now do not get confused with the post and pages. Pages are like simply the pages to your website. For example, if I just click on a new page and I say that type something like a new page to your website basically. So I will simply take new page, or okay, oh, something like new page. Fine, new page, and there is no content, or I will simply type like a new page. Okay, and simply I will say publish. Now publish means this is not your article or a post, and it will not show. I will just show you. If I refresh this, this is your post. It is not, it is just a new page. If you want to add that page, what you're supposed to do is you have to go to your layout. Okay, go to the layout, and then this page, click over here, and you can see that this is the new page that I created, new page with the name new page. Just click over there and then click on save. So a new page will be added to your website. Okay, so I'll just refresh this, and I will show you the new page. You can see, okay, just a minute, I have not, it is not visible. I have to just make that visible. Okay, so show page and then click on save. And now if you just refresh this, there it is. This is the home page and this is your new page. A new page, there is nothing. A new page, I just typed it, but normally you don't require this. You will be only on your home page. Just keep on posting the articles. That is where you need to focus on. So I'm trying to cover up everything in this particular tutorial. And then these are the comment section, the comments that people will give to you on your articles. Every comments you can read by the post wise also, or all the comments you can see once you click over here. And then there is something very very important, that is earnings. Okay, now understand, like if you're sharing some knowledge and you have a good viewership, you can earn money from Google AdSense. Okay, Google AdSense is a product by Google itself, and this is something like if you have a lot of viewership, a lot of people come and read your blogs, then Google will place certain ads on your blog, and in that case Google will also share small amount of that particular ad with you. So it's like sharing the business, but this takes a lot of hard work. You need to really work really hard for this, and this particular, you need to qualify for this, and for qualifying this particular option, you at least need your blog to be 6 months old and at least around 25 to 50 post articles you should be having. Your blog should have some contents, your blog should have some viewership. Okay, in that case you can get eligible for this, and once you are eligible, then Google will start posting ads onto your blog, and then you can start earning money. But as I said, it is not really that easy. You really need to work really hard. Daily you need to work hard. Daily you need to post something, keep on updating your blog. Only then it works. Okay, so I tried to cover each and everything in this particular tutorial. I hope that this particular tutorial was very much useful to you. If you think that this particular tutorial you have gained some knowledge, then do subscribe to my channel. Okay, so I will end this tutorial. Bye for now.